Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marie, and for today's video I thought I could show you how to do a very natural and affordable makeup look. So keep on watching. So for the eyebrow pencil, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. You don't have to use this one, you can use whichever you like. I just like it because it's like really thin. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. I really wish I could do, I wish I could do fluffy brows, like those fluffy soap brows. I just don't have enough brow hair to do that. Next, I'm actually going to moisturize with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, the extra dry. I'm going to be priming with the e.l.f. Mint Cooling Face Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Dream Urban Cover. It's full coverage. And I'm going to be mixing it with the Revlon Candid Glow. And I'm actually going to be mixing it with my flat foundation brush. This is the BH Cosmetics brush in number 2 in the Crystal Zodiac. And I'm going to take my Damp Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I was going to go ahead and tap that in. And then I kind of want a little more full coverage, or not full coverage, but I want a little more coverage just right here. Okay, with concealer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to be mixing two. I'm going to be mixing Light Beige and Fair Warm. Okay, next I'm going to contour with the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I actually haven't used this yet. I love the Putty Blush, so I'm really excited to try this out. I'm going to use just my, my BH Cosmetics Contour Brush in 4, and in the same collection, the Crystal Collection. Okay, I'm actually going to be using my beauty blender for that. The brush kind of sucks. And I don't have the Putty Blush brush, which I assumed you could use for the same thing. Actually, you know what? I don't like that. I'm trying to cover it with foundation as much as I can. Okay, I'm not going to use that actually. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and Tan Walnut to contour, because I don't know if I'm using the wrong thing to apply the product with or what, but I don't like the way it was making me look. Okay, next I'm going to set my face with the Beauty Bakerie Flower in Oat, or also translucent. This one's a little more expensive, so if you don't have this one, a good one that I really like is Airspun. A lot of people don't like it because it smells like old people. The scent is like really strong, but I love the way old people smell. I mean, that sounds kind of weird, but I do. So Oh my god, powder. Okay, I'm just touching up my under eyes with the Beauty Blender real quick. Want to make sure I get all my creases out. Okay, I'm going to be taking my setting brush. It's number 5 in the BH Cosmetics brush collection. Again, same thing I've been using. Just going to dip in my powder and go ahead and set my under eyes. Don't forget to set your neck. It's really important, especially for me. I don't know. I have these lines on my neck. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if it's because of the way I sleep. I kind of sleep in like a cradle position. And I noticed when I put foundation on my neck and I don't set it, it gets all like clumpy down there. The creases. It's really gross. Okay, that's it for really setting my concealer. I don't set over my contour because actually I go with bronzer to kind of set that. And then I'll clean it up with my setting powder. So, my contour brush. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Bronze and Booster. I actually really like this. I like the butter bronzer a lot. So I thought I would go ahead and get this one and try it out. And I thought this was really cute. It tells you like what shade you should be using for each season. So I'm just gonna go in summer. Okay, I'm actually gonna go in with like a fluffier brush to blend it out even more. This is the Beauty Crop, is it? Yeah, this is the Beauty Crop. Oh my gosh, this is the Beauty Crop brush. It's just a powder brush, really, and I don't remember where I got this brush, so. Blush. So I actually have a few blushes I really like. I love Milani blushes. I'm actually going to go in with the Luminoso, the baked blush. I'm going to be using my blush brush. If it looks like it's a lot of blush, I personally don't mind that. I love blush, and on top of it, blush is the first thing to start like wearing out throughout the day. And I took a little bit blush up here, nothing too crazy. I like to look very like sun-kissed. Ooh, okay, highlighter. Oh my god, no, wait. It's in Dare to Divulge, and this one's new, and I swear this is my favorite highlighter right now. I've been loving it. I'm actually been using this little travel size highlighter brush. Oh, look at that highlight. Shit popping.
You know you might pay for this.
I'm like a highlighter whore. Let's just be honest here. And because my nose is like a little bit wider at the bottom, I like to apply the highlight with my finger on the tip of my nose. Like, I don't know if you can tell. The highlight! Next we're gonna clean up next we're gonna clean up our cheeks. We're gonna take my Beauty Blender. Okay, we're going to grab a small blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead and dip into this one right here. I don't know if you can tell. It's this one. I'm going to dip into that and just put that in my crease. Then I'm going to go into this darker shade with like an ankle brush. This dark matte right there. Oh my god. Right there. And I'm just going to deepen up that crease. Okay, and then so there's two shimmers. There's more like a bronzy orange and like a bronzy brown. I think I'm gonna go in with this one, the one that's more brown. And I'm actually just gonna use my finger to place that on my eyelid. So it doesn't stay on your under eyes. Okay, and that's gonna be it for the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and did my other eye off camera, and I went ahead and popped on some lashes and did my lips. For lipstick, I'm actually using the Satin Matte, oh my gosh, the Matte Satin Lipstick in Milani. It's in the shade Lavish. I love this lipstick, it's my favorite one. And as far as lashes, I just used some lashes that were already opened and used. They were sitting on my desk. I was like, okay, why not, you know? Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below what you want to see in the future, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.